What is the difference between a flea market and a garage sale? Buyers and sellers of used goods all over can have a tough time juggling all of the similar and regional terminology. At the end of the day, all we want to do is get together with our communities and help each other get rid of some old stuff and fall in love with some cool new finds ourselves while we're at it. So when it comes to using the correct terms, what's the difference between a flea market and a garage sale? And does it really matter all that much? Scale and location. If we want to get technical, the real differences between a flea market and a garage sale come down to two simple factors: scale and location. When it comes to garage sales, we're usually talking about individual sales held by a single household in their own homes, usually in their garages. While it's not impossible nor particularly uncommon for there to be items from multiple families being sold in a single garage sale, the sale is still usually restricted to the same three walls and the open garage door. A flea market, on the other hand, is usually held in some public venue, whether this be a public park or some other location. A flea market also usually hosts a bunch of different sellers, usually in separate stands over a large stretch of space. Much like any other market, people who visit a flea market can walk through the large space and visit different stands with often different items and somewhat different prices. A flea market will rarely refer to a single stand or seller, while a garage sale might. Just to show that we aren't making this up, Merriam-Webster defines garage sale as a sale of used household or personal articles, such as furniture, tools, or clothing, held on the seller's own premises. It defines flea market as a usually open-air market for secondhand articles and antiques. Very similar, but not exactly the same. How much does it matter? Like we said at the beginning, at the end of the day, most of us just want to get together with a community and buy or sell used stuff for great prices. Does it really matter what you call your sale? Well, sort of. Here, there is a more or less important difference, since a flea market will usually be in a public place and include multiple sellers. It isn't quite as interchangeable as garage sale and yard sale, for example. That being said, while there might be some initial confusion if you hold a flea market in your garage, or if you call the local flea market a garage sale, people are probably going to be able to connect the dots pretty easily. Whether you're planning on visiting a sale in somebody's garage or in the local park, we wish you the best of luck in finding the best items regardless of the language. Long live in the garage sale!